Welcome to the Bloom Schools. Can we go for a movie? Yes, but when? Can we go to movie this Saturday? I am working on Saturday. Can we go on Sunday? How was the movie? It was really very interesting. Do you know if there is a restroom around here? Yes, go straight and turn towards the left. Where do you want to go next? I like to have my dinner in a Chinese restaurant. Where should I pay the amount? You can pay at the cashier over there. I am looking for the airport. Can you tell me how to get there? I have no idea about it. I am sorry. Where should I collect the receipt? You can collect the receipt at the cash counter. Can you give more discount? I cannot discount it anymore. What would you like to eat? I like to have a simple cheese sandwich. May I use the credit card? Only cash payment. We don't accept credit cards. Why don't we go out, visit some old friends this afternoon? Yes, that sounds like a great idea. For the party, can I wear my blue frock? Yes, you look good in that frock. Anything to drink? I like to have cold coffee. Do you like to visit this place again? Oh yes, it's a wonderful place. What is your next plan? I am planning to meet my friends. Do you want anything else? I'll have some cheesecake. Do you want some fruit? Yes, please. I want an apple. What would you like for dessert? I like to have tiramisu. What did you buy? I bought some fruits and vegetables. Do you live in a house? No, I live in an apartment. Are you ready to order? Yes, I was waiting for you. Thank you for watching.